This is a former police patrol vehicle I bought from the auction. It is a 2003 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I'm gonna fully search it and see what was left behind. Then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with this beauty. We're gonna try to figure out where she came from. And of course, we're gonna continue that quest to find that biscuit. I know what you're thinking. This is a piece of junk. We can repair her. We have the technology. So basically we're gonna do an old police car treasure hunt, and after that I'm going to fully restore this vehicle. What is going on with this paint? I don't know. Well, it looks like they went way out of their way to scratch off their original emblems, but we are gonna investigate, of course, and we're gonna figure out what the heck is going on here. Look, what is up with the fender? It's like barely holding on. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. Oh, and it looks like this thing is full of goodies. All right, so we got some Unity spotlights, and they are working. Passenger spotlight is working as well. All right, it's a bunch of bolts. Trunk button here. So she has 186,000 miles. What? Okay, this is from San Francisco. So I believe this vehicle is from a San Francisco police. Now this looks like a classic San Francisco police center console, and yup, this is the classic Unitrol 80K amplifier. Okay, I'm just gonna add that to the collection of the Federal Signal Unitrols. A seat ejector. Some sort of red emergency lights. Quadra flare. We're gonna be putting these to the test. And there's a bunch of car spaghetti in here. There's a gun lock timer. All right, let's start this baby up. So in 2006, all the Crown Vics went digital, and then that's when they started recording the idle hours. I had to remove the hood, but look at this. Look how clean this engine is. I mean, she's clean. She's dirty, but clean. And look at this down here. Federal Signal Dynamax siren speaker. We're gonna be removing that. Yeah, buddy. Siren speaker and bracket. Okay, so there's a Motorola radio speaker. So this emits a super high frequency sound. This is a tuning fork. Ooh, that is super high pitch. Seems to be some sort of dash light here. This is by sound off, signal interior use only. We gotta put this thing to the test here. Oh, nice. Red and blue with the California steady burn red. This is sick. Oh, yep. Switches the functions. Nice. Usually the radio goes right here, but it's actually been moved to down here so that this computer will go in here just like that. And right here there's brackets to hold up the keyboard by Motorola. Look, here goes the power. There we go, it's on. But it's not gonna come on because we need the brain, which actually the brain is over here. Plug it really quick. What is, oh no, it looks like the disc is missing. Is the response justified? And then what to do in case of a pursuit. It's a little cheat sheet in case you forget. All right. Couple of antennas from Layard. Bunch of wiring in here. Here's the microphone for the Motorola radio that used to go in here. An ID. Anybody knows who Waterica is, tell her I have her ID. To better search the car, the seats have to come off. Pretty nice seat. Wow, look at this. This is a Motorola VRM 650. Let's connect it back up. Up, it lights up. What does it do? I don't know. A Wheeland Slim Lighter. This is nice. Maybe this could be this video's giveaway. Speaking of this video's giveaway, the winner of last video's mystery box winner is this guy right here. All right, let's check it out. Oh, sick. We got the yellow, totally legal lights, but oh shoot, these corner ones here are not working. Bunch of bolts and a ticket from SFPD, yep, for no plate, front plate, no front plate. Hey, look who I found. What's up, little buddy? Go. Oh my gosh. Go camouflage. Alright, let's look in the back. Ah, got whipped by a whip antenna. This thing is taller than me. It's literally taller than me. That thing is super tall. This is where the original whip antenna went. It's huge antennas. Might even be taller than that one. Okay, let's take a look on the other side. Number 77. Looks like this was unit number 77, or it was going to be unit number 77. Looks like it's like a cage for somebody's pet. This is a tiny little freaking cage. I don't care how small your animal is. This is just way too tiny for any animal. Ah. Right, let's see. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh yeah, a baton. Oh yeah. Bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. PPE. These belong to some sort of gun rack. Plastic prisoner seats gotta come out. Bruh. San Francisco never fails. What is that? Seriously, what is that? Coke? Or nope, that looks like crystal. Let me see. A lot. That is a lot of crystal. Look, the cops have these secret latch right here that if you push, it disables all the lock and all the functions of the door. But if you pull it, and you get all your functions back. The heck is barking? Please be a biscuit. And I ain't talking about bread. Oh, the first thing that pops up is stop. No, you stop. Official stop sign. What? Is this what I think it is? Ah, sick. No way. Dude, this is a California Highway Patrol. Sick. These are super, super rare to find. The prisoners here in California actually make the CHP push bars. Pretty cool fact, actually. You know what? I'm gonna try to put this on one of the cars. I'm gonna test out how strong a CHP push bar is. Video coming soon. This is a Wheeland radar. This actually goes right here somewhere. I think they go like this or like this. Maybe two of them even. It's a pretty nice federal signal right here. Oh, this is a gun lock. Yeah. Oh, okay. So there's a gun lock thing right here, and the butt end goes right there. And this locks up. Looks like it freaking ripped off. Some wiring cut here in a bit. Crushed bullet shells. A realistic patrolman scanning receiver. Shit, this thing looks super old. What the hell? Hey, what's up, little buddy? Come here, come here, come here, come here, come on, come here. Look at his little leg, his little right leg. It looks broken. I've been hearing something. You poor thing, you've probably been out here all freaking day. Oh, I'm scared to touch him. What if he bites me? He's like camouflaging with the ground. Hey, buddy. Oh, look at his body. Oh my God. And his tail is stuck. Look at his tail. He's kind of scared. Hey, no, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. It's okay, little buddy. Buddy. Oh my gosh. Did you see that?
Yeah, he just ran from you.
What the hell? See his knees?
I don't know, he's all messed up.
Yeah. So, buddy, you need some water? Yeah, his foot's bent. Looks like he's probably been in a cage his whole life. His ears are clipped. His tail is not clipped, so that's good. What's up, buddy? What's your name? What's your story? You got an owner? You got a master? Let me see. He looks healthy. I mean, besides the... Come here.
He looks like Danny DeVito.
Yeah, he does. No.
He's camera shy.
Yeah, he's a little camera shy. Come here, buddy. There he is. He's not hungry. He's
hot.
Let me see his leg. Is that like a bald spot?
It looked like it might have been an abscess. Or some kind of scabbing, like somebody kept him on a chain.
Yeah.
In concrete or something.
Right. He got a little cut right there in his...
He's got scars everywhere, man.
Yeah. He still has his junk, so he might have been a breeder dog.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
And then somebody just dumped him. He's old. Still not having it.
Because, yeah. You can tell by his tail.
I like his butt pattern.
All right. I think we're just gonna take you home and take you to the vet tomorrow and see what. Yeah, give him a bath. Take you to the vet tomorrow and give him a bath. Not bad, just needs a fender and serious cleaning and a paint job. This thing is gonna look so sick. I'm gonna make a video of me rebuilding this thing back to a roadworthy family car, so stay tuned for that.